Alden, it's your update. Yung event ni Alden po, Ronald McDonald by Bulilit Learning Center turnover ceremony at nagkaroon pa ng cutting ribbon at masaya yung mga bata makita si Alden. Ito yung video. Yan sa Binan, Laguna. Yan si Alden. Ito yung McDonald yan. Ito yung McDonald. Ang cutting ribbon po with Alden. Nag-interview kay Alden.
Actually, I was Ronald McDonald's house charities has been here since 1985. And being an ambassador of McDonald's for more than a decade already, parang this is a transition, not a transition technically, but it's more purpose and value to me being an ambassador of McDonald's. Kasi I think that's one of the secrets and isa sa mga dapat natin laging pinuput in mind na whenever we're like Dr. George and Sir Kenneth sila ang head ng McDonald's Philippines for them to be successful, kailangan we always give back to the community that has nagbigay sa atin pwesto in the community that we're living in, which is McDonald's. So, I'm also an advocate for it.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Picture Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.